That's everything the witnesses said they saw, sir.
Everything?
Seems so.
Interesting. So the witness said they saw a boy enter, but nobody saw him leave? And we didn't see a soul in there.
That's correct.
It's really late. You should go get some sleep. I'll stay here in case anything happens overnight.
I can stay here if you need me.
No, it's quite alright. I got things covered here.
Okay, well, if anything arises, just call.
Will do. Get some sleep. Big day tomorrow.
Yes, sir. See you bright and early.
You said you searched the entire property, right?
Yeah. 3 times.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Sir, if there's somebody still in there, they might need our help.
Let's be careful. My gut says this could be a trap.
I understand, sir. It's locked.
That can't be possible.
You still have the keys, sir?
Yeah, hold on.
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up? How you doing?
Not bad, and you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
I heard, did you see the game last night?
Yes, bro, we blew them out.
Dude,
we beat them like 60-32.
I heard, I wasn't there though. I should have been there. I should have watched
Yeah,
it.
dude, my lungs just like went out from cheering. That was really fun.
Yeah, that was kind of sick. We should maybe get one more though. What do you think? Hey, let me take my jacket off real quick. What do you think?
This one right here, right?
Wasn't this that haunted one?
I don't think so. I mean, it looks pretty haunted, but
Like 50 years ago, I thought this was a haunted house. No, I could be wrong, but
nah. Let's just do it.
yeah, we'll get it for the one time.
It's unlocked.
What the heck? How is that possible?
You wanna go inside?
I guess so. Take your flashlight. Get your flashlight. Deserted. Dude, this house is creepy. Somebody tells me we shouldn't be here.
Well, whoever lives here doesn't really want to be here either, so.
I kinda wanna get out of here.
You wanna go now? We haven't even seen the whole place yet. How do you even know it's here? It'd be really cool.
This isn't even our house. Dude, I'm done with this. I'm leaving.
Dude,
It sucks. What was that? We need to get out of here.